Technological advancements are making space tourism more accessible for people from all walks of life, and it won't be long before you can take your very own trip to the Red Planet. But what should you expect when you arrive there? Will you find an alien? Or maybe even a whole city? Find out in today's episode of Unveiled, where we'll explore what awaits us on Mars by 2035. So don't forget to subscribe so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Space tourism is evolving into a significant commercial sector that's attracting the attention of governments and private companies around the world. According to a recent report by Global Newswire, the space tourism market is expected to reach $12.6 billion by 2028, growing at a CAGR of 16.4% from 2021 to 2028. This growth is being driven by several factors, including reusable rocket technology, which has significantly lowered the cost of accessing space. As a result, space tourism is no longer a luxury reserved for the ultra-rich, but is becoming a more accessible option for a wider range of tourists. In addition, emerging space markets such as those in Asia-Pacific and the Middle East are presenting new opportunities for space tourism providers. These regions have a growing number of high-net-worth individuals who are interested in space travel. Moreover, innovations in space technology, such as the development of suborbital and orbital flights, have increased the demand for space tourism. Suborbital flights, which provide a brief experience of weightlessness and views of Earth from space, are becoming increasingly popular among adventure-seeking tourists. Are you planning a vacation in 2035? How about a 26-month stay? That's how long a trip to Mars and back would take. Of course, you wouldn't be alone. You could bring your family and even pets along, if you have a pet, that is. The idea of traveling to other planets may seem like a fantasy, but it's actually becoming a reality thanks to advancements in technology and renewed interest in space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making space travel more accessible and affordable, while space agencies like NASA are planning missions to Mars and beyond. But what can we expect from a trip to Mars? Here are some things to consider. One of the most exciting aspects of traveling to Mars is the opportunity to experience life on another planet. Imagine walking on Martian soil and taking in the stunning views of the red planet's surface. You could explore the surface of Mars in a rover or even take a hike to get a closer look at the planet's unique terrain. Additionally, you could participate in scientific experiments and make discoveries that could help humanity better understand the history and evolution of Mars. Of course, a trip to Mars would not be complete without the opportunity to snap some amazing photos and videos. Imagine the envy of your friends and family back on Earth as you share your incredible Martian adventures on social media. With the right equipment, you could capture stunning images of the Martian landscape, its unique geology, and any other celestial bodies that might be visible from the surface. Who knows, you might even spot some signs of ancient life or current habitation. Traveling to Mars would also provide a unique opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of life on Earth. Imagine leaving behind the stress and distractions of daily life and immersing yourself in the tranquility of the Martian landscape. It could be a chance to reflect on your place in the universe and gain a new perspective on life. Plus, with limited access to social media and other distractions, you could truly disconnect and enjoy the present moment. While a trip to Mars would undoubtedly be an adventure of a lifetime, it's important to be prepared for the challenges that come with exploring an uncharted planet. From the harsh environment to the isolation and risk involved, traveling to Mars is not for the faint of heart. However, with proper planning, training, and the right mindset, anyone can overcome these challenges and have an unforgettable experience. The prospect of traveling to Mars is both exciting and daunting, but with advancements in technology and a renewed focus on space exploration, it may not be long before we all have the chance to experience life on the red planet. It's hard to say exactly what awaits us on Mars by 2035. However, based on current trends and technological advancements, we can expect some exciting possibilities. If you're ready for an adventure of a lifetime, then keep watching our channel for more updates on space exploration and tourism. Who knows? Maybe one day soon you'll be able to visit Mars yourself. So what do you think? What do you think we'll find on Mars by 2035? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.